What room do you hate to clean the most? I hear you, the bathroom. Even I would rather talk about it than actually do it. But I want to show you my quick and easy spray and wipe bathroom cleaner. So simple to make. You're going to take 2 cups of water. Then we're going to put 2 tablespoons of baking soda in with that. To that, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. Now, white vinegar will cut through that mineral deposit beautifully. Then we're going to add another 3 tablespoons of ammonia. Now, ammonia, because it's alkaline, is great for soap scum. So that makes this a complete bathroom cleaner. We're going to give it a quick stir just to combine our ingredients, just like that. Then we're going to put it into our spray bottle. And please make sure you label your spray bottle, because once you make a few formulas up, you won't know what's in what unless you take it off and smell it. And I don't want you smelling ammonia. Then we're going to simply put on our spray top. Take a soft cloth. Now, you know the Queen likes a microfiber cleaner. We're going to take our cloth, we're going to walk in, and we're going to spray, and we're going to wipe. That's all it's going to take to clean it. This will last for at least 6 months under your sink. You can make more if you want to, and then refill the bottle anytime. Give it a shake before you use it each time. For additional information, check out my website at queenofclean.com. Follow me on Facebook and Twitter, and thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.